Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeta's UPSC Corner. So, friends, in this video, I will be covering about World Geography Introduction. That means about World Geography. Means what is World Geography and the topics to be covered in geography, all the introduction about geography. So, in this video, we will be covering about this. So, let's get started. So, geography as a discipline. In this video, in this you will be knowing about what is discipline. Okay, discipline is nothing but a particular study about a branch of knowledge. Okay, here geography is a branch. We will be knowing about geography in detail and what is geography and everything in this video. Okay, the word geography is derived from two Greek words, geo and graphia. Okay, so this geography is derived from Greek words. Okay, geo is nothing but earth and graphia means to write. So to know and to study about this earth is nothing but geography. Okay, so geography is a science that deals with the description of the earth. That means it studies about the land, features and inhabitants and phenomena on the earth's surface. And it also deals about description and distribution of resources, also interaction of the physical, biological and cultural features on the earth's surface. Okay, I hope you got this point. So the term geography was first devised by a Greek scholar, Eratosthenes. Okay, he was the first to use the word geography. Okay, so we refer him as father of geography. Eratosthenes is said to be father of geography. Okay, so this geography is divided into following branches: geomorphology, climatology and oceanography. Okay, it is mainly divided into these three branches: geomorphology, climatology and oceanography. Also, we will be knowing about general physical geography. Okay, this general physical geography is nothing but political and physical features of continents and oceans. The world political and physical features we will be knowing in general physical geography. That means the mountains, what are the mountains covered in the continent, and the boundaries between the countries, boundaries between mountains and oceans, and also all the physical features. Okay, we will be knowing in this general physical geography. So the next comes geomorphology. I already told you in the previous lecture, geomorphology is nothing but changes evolving on the earth's surface. Geo means earth, morpho means changes and logi is study. So the study about the changes evolving on the earth's surface is nothing but geomorphology. Okay, followed by climatology. Climato means climate, logi means study. So, this climatology deals with climatic conditions on the earth's surface. Okay, and the next one is oceanography. Oceano means oceans and graphy means to study. So, it deals about oceans and ocean floors. Okay, and the phenomena occurring on oceans topography. Okay, so this is about geography and its branches. Okay, so here are some pictures of some continents. Okay, and first one is Brazil, here is China, India, Australia, and in this Africa and Europe, in between Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so we will be knowing about all these. So a question for you: how many continents are there in the world, and also how many oceans are there in the world, and name them. So please do answer these questions in the comments. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. So please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting me. So the next lecture is on solar system. Okay, so to get updates related to my video lectures, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Geeta's UPSC Corner. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my all videos without missing. And also, if you have any queries, please do mail us on geetasupsccorner@gmail.com. I hope all you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and let's meet on next video lecture. Bye.